This is a demo video for the GE alarm clock, model number 7-4945A. As you can see, I've just plugged it in, and the clock is, or the time is flashing. I'll go ahead and set the clock. Show you can set the time up here. There's time set, slow, fast, forward and reverse. So just set an example time, fast and slow. So yeah, there you go. It's 3:36 a.m. right now. And just to show you the function of the radio, and see if you can hear the hum. I'll go ahead and turn it on.
Colder tonight, patchy frost.
I'm going to bring it a little closer so you can hear it coming on one more time.
Afternoon showers. Tomorrow's high 65 degrees. Then for Easter Sunday, dry early.
That's the volume all the way down. I'll change the tone, rolling the tone back and forward. There's no effect that I can tell in rolling the tone. Let me turn the volume back up.
Clients' investment and retirement goals. Institutions, advisors, employers, and individuals choose T. Rowe Price.
Roll the
For
tone.
over 80 years. T. Rowe Price. Invest with confidence.
This is All Things Considered.
Tone back out.
News. I'm Ari Shapiro.
And I'm Elsa Chang. If you're a college basketball fan and you are not rooting for Kansas, Villanova, or Michigan this weekend.
And that's on the FM side. I'll switch back to AM. Let's see if I can find a station now.
I want to say yes to approving you. Yes for up to $5,000.
I won't listen to that guy. Should be a strong one in here.
Really good. They belong in the professional, but I don't think they're as good as Michigan, Kansas, or Villanova, and that's a shame because
As good as I can get on this one.
Like George Mason, the year they crashed, the VCU can come along and fire you
Oh, there they
because
are.
they disagree with what you're saying. That's what tenure is. And so people who say, "Oh, we just have all these slothful professors who get tenure and then they don't do anything,"
roll the tone.
that is largely a lie. There are a few people who are like that. I know a few, but they are in the vast minority. So what we're seeing in
And back
Kentucky
out.
now, you have, again, Republican legislators who feel that professors, in effect, have too many protections, and they want to strip tenure away from them in the same way that Scott Walker and the
And
Republicans
roll the
in
volume back
Wisconsin
down.
did.
Were they successful in Wisconsin?
Oh no, that's the tune.
Tell you what happened, okay? The
Try this again. Roll the volume back down
university-
now. And there you go. And that's the GE 7-4945A. And yeah, plenty of opinions about professor tenure. Thanks.